But anyways, hey y'all, I'm back with another video. I've been gone because I've started school like 2 weeks ago, well 3 weeks ago, and I just been trying to, get adjusted, But anyways, I'm going to be doing my makeup, This is my first time doing makeup. Like, I don't do my makeup. I'm really a lashes and lip gloss type girl, but that's what we're gonna be doing today. What?
Yeah, that was my little sister.
Before we get into it, make sure you watch all the way to the end, and if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button.
Okay, y'all, so basically I just used this concealer by Morphe. I think that's how you say it, but I didn't use nothing too much. Like, I ain't use no foundation or nothing. I just used concealer.
Alright. I don't know what this is. It says Morphe. I don't know what it is, though. Like, what is it? So now, y'all, I'm going in with another concealer. It's by Born This Way, and it's in the shade Toffee. I'm gonna put a picture so y'all can see how it look. But yeah.
Yeah, so I was using my sister makeup, and she's dark skin, and I'm more of a brown skin type of girl. So I was trying to find something that matches my skin color, and these are the products that I found.
Oh, so I guess I'm gonna just blend it out. I don't think this is a what. I'm gonna just put this on too, cause I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna just put it on. Y'all look, got my little beauty mode. Like I said, I do not know what I'm doing. This is my first time doing this, so. Do it even look like my skin color? I don't know. So now, y'all, I decided to go in more with the Morphe concealer. I don't know what this did. Like, I don't know. Like I said, this is my first time, so bear with me. Bear with your girl. Okay, bye. I have a bump right here. What did I just do? I don't know what I just did. I think I need to go in with a smaller brush. I look like a clown. I think I have to blend my nose out. So now I'm going to do my eyebrows. Hopefully y'all look okay, because I'm looking very much like, I don't know. So I think I'm going to use this to do my eyebrows. This is an auto lip liner. So I'm just filling in the shape of my eyebrow, y'all. This is not no makeup tutorial because, yeah, no. Basically, I was filling it in lightly, like I was doing light strokes, because I don't want it to be too dark, you feel me? So now, y'all, I'm just blending it out with a spoolie to give it a more natural look, you feel me? Like, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying you feel me. I think I was supposed to spray my face. I'm gonna spray my face. So I'm gonna spray my face with the Make It Last setting spray by Milani. I think that's how you spray it. I think that's good. So now I'm filling it in lightly, you feel me? Not too much. Alright, now I'm finna do the same for this side. whatever. So now I think I'm gonna go in with, so again I'm going in with the Morphe concealer, and I'm just gonna use it to clean up under my eyebrows to conceal it. So I'm just gonna blend it out. I think it looked better, I don't know. So y'all know I love me some lip liner, so I'm going in with the lip liner by NYX in the color dark brown. Sorry y'all, but it itch. Y'all, I don't really be digging in my nose, like it just be itching, like it just itch, so I scratch it. What I was doing, okay, I think I'm just gonna use this. I think I was using another brush. Oh well. Where's that brush that I was using? Y'all, I hate when I be forgetting stuff. Like, I just forgot why I put the brush. And I really liked that brush too. I don't think I was using this brush, but I can't find the brush. Girl, you bit mad, girl. So I'm just gonna, this is not doing nothing for me, so I'm just blending out with this one. I think this was the brush I was using, I don't know. So I have to clean up the eyebrow. I guess I'm gonna just use a darker concealer for the top. So I'm gonna dip it like so, then clean up the top. Clean up. Y'all, doing this is fun. Like, what? Like, it's super fun. Look how my edges done messed up. That's just disrespectful. Hey. All right, so I'm gonna go in with this brush to blend it out. Oh, blend that thing out, blend that thing out, blend that thing. Oh, yeah, I don't like this eyebrow. Like, it's not looking like this one. Like, what? Like, what? Like, just take the whole eyebrow off. Like, oh my gosh, like, seriously. Y'all, I gotta do my hair pretty. So I think I'm finished. I think I have to blend out more stuff because I think, you know, I gotta blend it out. Is it the color of my skin? Like, is it? I don't know. Yeah, this is my first time like doing this. I don't, like I said, I don't do my makeup. Like, I just do lashes and lip gloss, and then we out. Like, that's a whole look. But I feel like I should start getting some more makeup. But anyways, oops, what was that? Now, ooh, I got makeup on my bonnet. No, we can't do that. So Boom. I think I really should blend out more. Like, what? And then I'm gonna fix my edges because this one done messed up on me, but it's okay. It's okay. Hey, it's okay, y'all. This is quick. Like, it didn't even take me that long. Whatever. Whatever. I don't like this eyebrow, but like I said, whatever. Whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna put on some earrings. Some earrings so we can look like a girl. So we can look like a girl. Hey. I think I'm gonna spray my face again just because. Oh yeah. Also, y'all, these are individuals. I do my own individual lashes, so if y'all want a tutorial, let me know. Cause like I said, I got y'all. So we finna spray our face again. What is this? This is a everyday vacay. What's this? Oh, it smells like coconut, but I don't know what this is. It just says everyday vacay. But I don't know what this is. I guess I'm gonna just use this. I don't know what to do, but hey, ooh. Oh no, I feel like I gotta blend it more. Yeah, that smells really good. I got it in my mouth. So that's the end of this tutorial. Like, comment, and subscribe. But I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair. Where's my pick? Give me my pick back. I know you took it. I think I'm just gonna do my regular schmegular. Y'all gotta let me know. Y'all gotta get me out of doing this hairstyle because this is my go-to hairstyle. And you know what? Y'all just gotta let me know because I will forever do this hairstyle because it's so easy. Like, I really do not like putting products on my hair. Like, I don't like using gels and stuff. Like, it just makes my wash day much harder. Like, it just prolongs the wash day. Like, when I don't be putting no product in my hair, like, I do put product in my hair to moisturize it, and my hair is moisturized. It probably don't look moisturized, but it feels moisturized to me. But anyways, I don't like to use gels and stuff on my hair. I don't like to do my hair like really in hairstyles, like for example top knot buns. Like, that just takes too much effort, and I be real life getting aggravated because I be expecting for my top knot buns to look like other people's, and they don't. Like what I be doing, I don't know. But y'all, the last time I did a top knot bun was like last year. I'm really not liking my left eyebrow. I just like doing this hairstyle because like it's so pretty. So pretty, so me, so you. Yeah, I might just start buying me makeup because I think I look cute. Okay, y'all, so I think I'm just putting it in a ponytail because why not? And by the way, I use a headband. I usually use a shoelace, but I don't have one with me right now. Like, I can't find a shoelace. So I'm just gonna use this headband. Boom. Wrap it up like this. And I think I want to leave it like this. And take out a little hairs. Should I take out little hairs? I don't know. I want it to be curly though. This is like, I don't know. Should I do beads? I think I want to do beads. So I'm gonna go get me some beads. I guess like this. So again, I'm gonna twist it all the way to the end since I didn't do it. So y'all, how y'all been? Like with everything going on, you got Mrs. Rona, you got college going on, you got school going on, y'all. The reason why I haven't been posting was because I started college like 3 weeks ago, and I just been trying to keep up with all of my assignments and, you know, all of that good stuff. So far I'm doing good. I got A's in all of my classes. That's why I'm aiming for this semester. I just might start getting into makeup. I just might, cause this is fun, y'all. And I've been looking at makeup videos. I watched Kesha Jabee before I did my makeup, and yes ma'am, yes sir. I don't think I have all her products, but I'm just working with what I have. Like, this is not my makeup, like I said. This is my sister's makeup. She do makeup, but she don't really do makeup like that. She just do makeup like whenever she about to go out. And so I use the colors that look like on my skin. So like I said, I'm going to take the end of my hair and then wrap it around the last bead, and then take the rubber band and then wrap it around the bead. I hope I'm making sense, because okay, so now to fix this, because like I said, I'm not gonna take off these beads just to fix it. So to fix it, I'm going with the Don't Shrink gel. Y'all, this gel, I really like this gel. It smells really good. I use it for washing. I don't even do wash and goes. I just use it for my edges, so my edges won't turn white. But back in the days, I used to use this for a wash and go. I'm gonna put a picture on the screen of how it looked it. And then bam, we finished. I'm not gonna change shirts just because I'm not going anywhere. No. So y'all, I think I'm going to curl my hair. Boom boom boom, boom boom boom. Dun 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 dun. Y'all, it is really raining, like wow. So I'm gonna take my spray bottle, boom boom, spray it like so, like y'all just saw it. Yeah, we are. Then I'm gonna take some gel and boom. I don't know if y'all can hear the rain. Y'all probably can hear it. It's like why? Like why are you raining? Like like why? And I think this is finished. Like we're done. Like wow. Oh my gosh, y'all, I look so pretty. Okay, I'm gonna spray it one more time just because why not? What is oh, it tastes like perfume. Ooh. Yeah, so basically I waxed my underarms and it hurted, so I didn't want to wax the other one. Whoa. Yeah, everybody be doing this dance. Like, what's this dance called? Like, I hate that dance. But anyways, that's pretty much the end of this video. You feel me? Don't mind the rain. The rain, not rain. Like what? Like what are you talking about? But anyways, that's the end of this video. You feel me? If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below more videos that you want me to do, because I got you. Yeah, follow me on all my social medias. It's gonna be on the screen or in the description box. Yeah, and we out. Oh yeah, remember to stay positive, stay beautiful, and do things that you love, and be out.